Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting tool called LlamaCoder. This platform is powered by the latest Llama 3.370B model, and it's a game changer for developers and tech enthusiasts alike. LlamaCoder, hosted on Together.ai, offers an open-source framework for generating apps and websites through simple prompts. What's even better? It's affordable, flexible, and you can run it locally as well. Now, let's take a quick look at why Llama 3.3 is making waves. It's 25 times cheaper than GPT-4 Omni, costing just 10 cents for 1M input tokens and 40 cents for 1M output tokens. It excels in coding, math, and reasoning benchmarks, outperforming many proprietary models. The Together.ai API integration brings unparalleled flexibility and performance to LlamaCoder. Before we start, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me bring more amazing content like this. After navigating through the GitHub repository and the Together.ai website, I landed on the LlamaCoder interface. The setup was straightforward. To test its capabilities, I switched the model to Llama 3.370B and enabled the Shadcn/UI feature for building user-friendly interfaces. For the first project, I asked LlamaCoder to build a to-do list app with a modern UI/UX. It started generating the code, but unfortunately, it threw an error initially. I didn't give up. I copied the error code and pasted it back into the text box, asking LlamaCoder to fix it. After several tries, it finally provided the output. Here are the features included in the first try. Complete task option. You can mark tasks as completed. Delete option. Easily remove tasks. To improve functionality, I asked it to add an edit option to existing tasks. LlamaCoder updated the app, and the new output now included the edit feature. Next, I wanted to track tasks more efficiently, so I requested it to add date and time pickers. The tool added these options seamlessly, and it even allowed me to edit the date and time for existing tasks. That's impressive. To test the app, you can simply press the Publish button, which generates a testing link. I used the link to test the app, and it worked well. I wanted to take the app further by adding PWA Progressive Web App functionality to make it accessible on both desktop and mobile devices. The first attempt failed, but after retrying, LlamaCoder successfully implemented PWA support. In the preview window at the bottom right, you'll notice an Open Sandbox button. Clicking it opens the generated code in Codesandbox.ai, a fantastic platform for editing and previewing code. From there, you can customize the app and even download the entire code base for further use. Before jumping to the second project, let me quickly show you my Buy Me a Coffee page. It's a simple way to support creators like me. If you're enjoying this content and want to help me make more, consider donating a coffee or two. The link is in the description. Your support means the world to me. For the second project, I asked LlamaCoder to create a website for a beauty parlor. Initially, it threw an error code again. Once more, I copied the error and asked LlamaCoder to fix it. After a few tries, it generated a basic website without headers, footers, or menus. To enhance the output, I requested it to add a header, footer, menus, maps, and a Contact Us section. This time, LlamaCoder delivered a better result. Next, I wanted to add a gradient background to the website. Unfortunately, it kept throwing errors. I decided to remove the incomplete gradient color scheme, and the published website looked clean and functional. While it wasn't perfect, it was a good attempt considering it's an open-source tool designed for creating basic outlines and prototypes. LlamaCoder, combined with Together.ai, offers a powerful and affordable platform for developers. While it still has some issues, its ability to generate basic projects and fix errors is commendable. If you're looking for a tool to draft outlines or test ideas, LlamaCoder is a great option. It's open source, and you can even run it locally for better control. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to explore next. See you in the next video. Have a great day.